Good day, everyone. Welcome to Computer Systems Servicing and C2. Our topic for today is Set up Computer Networks, Introduction to Computer Networks. For the learning objectives, upon completion of this unit, you will understand the process of networking and how network devices help us in sharing data, in communicating with others worldwide, and able to recognize network devices. So, what is a computer network? A computer network is a group of networking devices. It's either wired or wireless, like computer, mobile phones, router, switch, and other networking devices that are connected to each other. In computer networks, computing devices exchange data and information with each other using the connections between the nodes or the pathways. These data links are established over the wired or optical cables or wireless connections such as a Wi-Fi. What is a computer networking? A computer networking is a way of communication over the computer and the users through the use of hardware and software network-based platforms. Example of softwares that we are using in today's technology are the Google Meet and Zoom application software. We use these network-based platforms not just to communicate to anyone but also for online seminars or what we call the webinar. And also, we use this application as one of the tools in our learning management system. Internet connectivity. Nowadays, most people use the internet in sharing of files, data, and communicating with others worldwide. Internet is also the network of all networks that can easily be connected to any network devices worldwide. In today's technology, sending letters to anyone is not as hard as before anymore. We can now use any email application or program in sending letters, files, and documents through the internet connection. We can also use the internet to upload and download files and documents. Basic network communication. How network devices communicate to each other. All types of computers and mobile devices serves as sending and receiving devices in a communication system. Through internet, you can use a modem from the internet provider to send data or information worldwide. Nowadays, even you are just using a mobile phone, you can connect and send data and information to another network through your internet provider wirelessly. Through the use of Ethernet cable or LAN cable, network devices can communicate with each other, and Ethernet cable will act as a node or a pathway for receiving and sending data and information from one computer to another computer. Network devices. Network devices or networking hardware are physical devices that are required for communication and interaction between the hardware on a computer network. Types of network devices. Here are the common network devices that we can use for computer networking. A hub, a switch, router, a modem, repeater, and access point. Hub. Hub is a network hardware device for connecting multiple Ethernet devices together and making them act as a single network segment. It has multiple input and output ports in which a signal transmit at the input of any ports appears at the output of every port except the original in cache. Switch. Switches generally have more intelligent rule than the hubs. A switch is a multi-port device that improves network efficiency. The switch maintains limited routing information about nodes and the internal network, and it allows connection to systems like hub or routers. Router. Router is a networking device that forwards data packets between computer networks. Routers perform the traffic directing functions on the internet. Modem or modulators demodulators are used to transmit digital signals over analog telephone lines. Thus, digital signals are converted by the modem into analog signals of different frequencies and transmitted to a modem at the receiving location. Repeater. A repeater is an electronic device that amplifies the signal it receives. Repeater is also a device which receives a signal and retransmit it at a higher level or a higher power so that the signal can cover longer distances, more than 100 meters for standard LAN cables. Repeaters work on the physical layer. Access point or AP can technically involve either a wired or wireless connection. It commonly means a wireless device. Access point typically are separate network devices with a built-in antenna, transmitter, and adapter. APs use the wireless infrastructure network mode to provide a connection point between WLANs and a wired Ethernet LAN. They also have several ports, giving you a way to expand the network to support additional clients. So, that is the introduction of computer networks in setup computer networks of computer systems servicing NC2.